This is page number 1 and this is page number 2. Cook wants a book to cook. This is the picture of a kitchen. This is a shelf. It has 2 drawers. This is a pot. Its color is green. This is a fish. Its color is gray. The fish is in the pot. This is a pot. Its colors are pink and orange. The pot is on the stove. These are 5 burners. This is oven. This is another pot. Its color is blue. These are 2 hoods and their color is gray. This is a pot. These are vegetables. This is a frying pan. Its colors are gray and black. The pan is on the stove. These are 4 sauces bottles. This is a cutting board. These are vegetables. This is a knife. These are 3 spatulas. This is a fridge. Its color is gray. This is a shelf. These are books. This is a bell. This is a wood. Its color is brown. This is a piece of meat. Its color is red. This is a meat cutter. This is a cook. The cook is wearing uniform. He is standing on the floor. His uniform color is white. The cook is taking a book from the shelf because cook wants a book to cook.